Hi, so today we are going to discuss about how to earn money online. So with the web taking on a big part of our lives, extra folks want to methods to earn cash online to extend their monetary inflows. So we can earn because of the internet world, we can earn money on internet also. So how to earn money online? Let us discuss about them. Okay. So first one is freelancing. So you can do your work. Suppose if you are a teacher, you can uh, freelance works. You, you can earn the money by freelancing also. If you can design websites, you can design or you can content writing or something else also. You can do your work. Your efficiency in the some work can be used to work freelancing work. So freelancing websites are available. So these in depth I will be discussing each of things in separate videos. So today I am going to discuss outline about the all the methods, and in that which I feel better also I will be explaining you. So freelancing is also a better option. Then you can begin your own personal website. Then you can give for if it is grown, then you can give for AdSense, Google AdSense or some other ad works. Then due to ads you can generate the income. Then affiliate internet marketing, this is also a very good choice. Even begin your personal website is also a good choice. Affiliate internet marketing means suppose you can affiliate with Amazon or Flipkart, something like that. Big so many options are available. So if you can affiliate, if somebody purchase the goods from your website, then you will get some commission for that. So that is known as affiliate internet marketing. So all these things I will discuss in separate videos. Each topic I will be discussing in separate videos. Then some other websites are available for surveys and searches and evaluations. So they also give money if you provide some survey on some topic. So these are the things. Then next is digital assistantships. So this is one more thing, virtual assistant, but this I am not discussing about much. Translating, if you are good in translating, you can do translating work also, or as a translator also you can work in some websites. Then one more better choice is online tutoring. Online tutoring also you can start your own website and you can tutor the children, or else online also you can tutor the children who are away from you also. That is one method. Or video classes, online classes also you can provide through a website also. In sometimes you will be getting for tutoring means you will be getting 200 to 500, or if you start your own website, it depends on the cost you provided and the value of the content, people will purchase it also. Then social media means Facebook, Instagram, Twitter also you can earn money through these things also. Here online tutoring and social media has better choices for earning money online. Then net designing means web designing actually. So many people are not interested in actually non-techies also can design websites. Sometimes you may earn around 20,000 to 1 lakh also. It depends on the website. If you know website designing, and anyhow nowadays it is very easy to website design, so you can earn through this method also. Then content material writing, you can write content for some other topics, or affiliate marketing or some other topics also you can write content. Some websites are available for writing content also. There also you can earn money. This is also a good option. Website designing is also a good option. Then running a blog, if you are very much interested in a niche, that niche also you can start a blog and write the topics belongs to that niche. Then you may earn, because through the ads you may earn the income from that also, running a blog also. Then YouTube is also a good option. Then you can earn money by YouTube videos also. You have to select a niche, then you can provide in that niche, you can provide the videos, then if the traffic is there, you can earn money through YouTube also. So there are these also here, these 4 methods are very interesting and important also. You can earn money through these things also. Then another, Kindle ebook. You can start your own website and you can provide ebooks there, or else you can write Kindle ebooks and Amazon will be selling those books and you may be getting the money from that. So option is there also. Promoting your merchandise online means website. You are creating a e-commerce website. Then another option is PTC websites, pay per click. Some websites are giving, if you for the ads, if you are clicking, you will be getting the amount. Anyhow, I am not interested in this peer to look. Peer to look means you have to lend somebody and you have to get interest on that, but it is a risky job also. Knowledge entry means some people may be giving data entry or typing job like that. So anyhow, in this, Kindle ebook is good, and promoting your merchandise online is good. Anyhow, 15, 16, 17 may not be that much, but risk is also there. You have to check it. Anyhow, I am giving the matter for this on post, anyhow, along with the video also, so you can check it. Thank you very much. Bye.